ay lumabas na we are strong in this government, no? So magkaroon tayo ng acts na ito na sweeping, requesting the courtesy resignation of all cabinet. At ang nakikita siguro nila mangyayari, papalakpakan sila ng taong bayan at sasabihin na tama yan, no? Magkaroon ng resignation yung mga incompetent at corrupt na cabinet. But I think what resulted to is the complete opposite. Hindi sila pinalakpakan. Tinawanan lang actually at sinabi na, oh, political drama lang naman yan kasi kung gusto mong tanggal, tinanggal mo na noon pa. Nung alam mong corrupt, dapat tinanggal mo na yan. Nung alam mong incompetent, tinanggal mo na lang. You don't have to request for courtesy resignation because you are the president. And these people are serving at your pleasure in confidence. So ibig sabihin, courtesy is not needed if the issue is corruption and incompetence. Just do it. So ibig sabihin, ang tingin nila, may mga gusto lang siyang tanggalin pero baka nahihiyang tanggalin at mas maganda na lang na magsabi ng courtesy resignation. Parang gagawin niya is simply to accept the resignation and not to fire this individual. So kung ang political perception na gusto nilang ilabas ay para magmukhang malakas sa presidente, ang nangyari is the complete and total opposite.